So would you call it the perfect bite? Exactly like you would think it tastes. Hard decision here to make, folks.
I don't think any of it disappointed.
It's Sunday, and if it's Sunday, what we doing around here? That's right. You know it's cooking with Cookie on Sunday, baby. Today, we got something special. We're gonna do a Raising Cane's Chicken Finger Chick-fil-A Pizza Challenge. What is that, Cookie? They don't make pizza. That's right, they don't. But if they did, I'm gonna tell you who's gonna win. First, the pizza crust. What is the pizza crust? Pillsbury dough. Buy it at any grocery store. Let's get started. First, the cane. So we started with the caniac and 4 extra sauces. The sauce, first thing on the pizza, right? Let's go. All right, guys, to be fair to each restaurant, the only extra ingredient that we're going in with is a little mozzarella cheese. Because, hey, what's a pizza without cheese, right? Gotta have the cheese. So now that we got a nice layer of mozzarella cheese, let's get on with these chicken fingers. No Cane's dinner would be complete without the crinkled up fries there. Let's just sprinkle them all in those little gaps in between. I tell you what, I'm very excited about this. You know, all your favorite things about this dinner. The only thing that's missing is the Cane's toast. Last topping, back with a little bit more mozzarella cheese. It's gonna be gooey, crispy, crunchy, salty. Hey, comment and tell me how you make your cane sauce, because I know everybody out there has tried to duplicate it. And I don't know, man. Sometimes it just doesn't taste the same.
You think it's MSG?
Could be MSG. Let me tell you what. MSG is like food crack. Get excited. Let's go to the oven. Get ready, because we're going to go 2 different ways on this. Same ingredients from the same restaurant. We've got 2 different sauces. We've got the traditional Chick-fil-A sauce, and we've got the Polynesian sauce. I don't know which one's going to work best here. You're going to have to wait around and see for this one. First, we sauce. Chick-fil-A traditional sauce, half the pizza. So we've got half the pizza sauced up with the traditional Chick-fil-A sauce. Let's get on with this Polynesian, half the pizza. So like the box says, you had me at first dip. Let's get on with the cheese. And man, who can resist those beautiful, crispy Chick-fil-A nuggets? Man, you pop them in your mouth, crispy, crunchy, but they're juicy on the inside. Just love the taste of Chick-fil-A. Fries on the Cane's, guys. Fries on the Chick-fil-A. Let's get on to these waffle fries. Last step for this Chick-fil-A pizza. Let's get on with that top layer of mozzarella cheese. 2 pounds of cheese between 2 pizzas. We gonna be full tonight. And here it is, guys. Fresh out the oven, 400 degrees. We only had this in for 12 minutes. Chick-fil-A Cane's. I don't know, this Chick-fil-A has 2 sauces, the Polynesian and the traditional. Should we drizzle that extra sauce over here to just spice it up a little bit more? What does the crowd say? Yeah! Let's get it going. Oh yeah, look at that. A little bit of sauce over the top. Let's get a little drizzle. And who doesn't love, all that creamy, Chick-fil-A sauce? Listen, we eat Chick-fil-A sauce on sandwiches. It ain't even gotta be from Chick-fil-A. It's that good, right? All right, guys, we got the taste testers here. I got my candy. I got my Brown Cow production here. Guys, y'all excited to dig into this pizza?
Absolutely.
So which one are you going in for
We've waited
first?
too long.
Which one are you going in for first?
I'm gonna try the Cane's first.
I'm gonna try Polynesian first.
I'm gonna try the traditional. What do you think?
It tastes just like a Cane's pizza.
Chick-fil-A with the original Chick-fil-A sauce. It tastes exactly like you would think it tastes. It tastes like a Chick-fil-A sandwich on a pizza. It is great. So tell me about the Polynesian.
I don't want to. It's good. You might not like it.
You ready to take it and go sit down by yourself, right?
Yeah, bye.
This is like taking a bite of Cane's with the toast, the sauce, with your fries dipped in sauce. Like, it's just...
So would you call it the perfect bite?
It's pretty amazing.
It's the perfect bite.
It's pretty amazing.
Polynesian is sticky. If you like sweet and tangy, whatever sauce that you like at Chick-fil-A, but there's buffalo. Could have went a couple different ways, just depending on the sauces that they have. But whichever one you like, I bet will work just fantastic. Cookie has to go in.
I have something to say. So my favorite sauce from the beginning is Chick-fil-A sauce. So I went backwards on purpose. Like I tried Polynesian first and then Cane's. I haven't gone Chick-fil-A yet, but I'm gonna tell you right now, Cane's pizza beats Polynesian for me.
See what this Cane's is all about. It's a hard decision here to make, folks. So here's something nobody's commenting on. How's the French fries on both of them?
I didn't notice.
Yeah, it's really hard to notice the French. Once you think about it, you know they're there and you're like, oh yeah, that's why it's so comforting.
It's nice, crispy. That potatoey goodness, the saltiness of it. It might be Cane's for me. As much as I love Chick-fil-A.
I don't think any of it disappointed. Like the Cane's pizza wins for sure.
So what's your winner? What you picking? You picking the Polynesian? You picking the Chick-fil-A original? Or you picking the Cane's?
It is the Cane's for me.
It's the Cane's for you.
Me too.
Look, I hate to go against the grain, guys. I think the Cane's pizza is better than the Chick-fil-A sauce. I like that sweet and spicy Polynesian sauce. So I'm gonna say that Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce wins out by just a little bit.
So it's the sauce for you.
Yeah, I think so. But this is tough to beat. If you put the Polynesian sauce on the Cane's,
So the biggest question everybody's got on their minds. Tell us about the chicken.
Cane's chicken
Cane's
wings.
for sure.
Cane's chicken.
No doubt.
Yeah,
No doubt.
I'm gonna call it Cane's chicken hands down. I love you, Chick-fil-A, and they'll probably never give me a Chick-fil-A franchise for
You
saying
were never
that.
getting one anyway.
I can be persuaded, Chick-fil-A. Yeah, Todd Graves, you got a good product out there, man. We love you.
What's your sauce?
Yeah, put it down in the comments. You want to see something different? Let us know.
Somebody loves chicken. You love some
Yeah,
chicken. I'm stolen.
If you drizzled the Polynesian sauce over the Cane's after all that, I would definitely go that route.
Why are you cleaning up in the middle of filming? Get out of here. So, all right, guys. Closing out today. I think we're kind of unanimous. No, we're not unanimous. We're 2-1 on the Cane's. Brown Cow Productions here. My production manager Gary, he loves the Polynesian sauce. Did it for him. Chicken was the winner for the Cane's chicken pizza. But I'm going to tell you what, that Cane's sauce, but we call that crawfish sauce also in Louisiana because it tastes a lot like what we did the crawfish in,
Yeah,
right?
that's right.
And so everybody tries to duplicate it. Tell us what your sauces are. Tell us your favorite sauce on a pizza.
Which one did you like?
I'll tell you what, for me it's the Cane's all the way.
Yeah.
I love the Cane's. I love that sauce, that Cane's sauce on there. Listen, I did like the Polynesian sauce, and it's a sweet and tangy, but you know, sweet and tangy is not really my thing. Saying that, the creamy sauce for the Chick-fil-A traditional was really good. I mean, it was neck and neck.
Well, I agree with you. The chicken and the sauce here and the cane sauce was by far like the most fresh, best tasting. I just like that sweet and spicy sauce, that Polynesian. I can tell you, if you drizzled the Polynesian sauce on the cane sauce, it'd be over for me. The Cane's all the way.
Today was fun, guys. Come back and have some more fun with us. Click, like, subscribe. Tell us what you want to see. We love it. We love making content for you. We love you. See you next time on Cookin' with Cookie.
Yet, yo.